This is Honor View 20, and today I'll show how you can perform an initial system setup process on this device. So first, select the language that you would like to have your setup and, consequentially system in. If you have any visual impairments or you just need to improve the setup accessibility, you can do that by opening the reading aid menu and use the magnification to zoom into interface elements that you'll see along the way, or increase the text size. So select a language, then tap at the Get Started button. Next, select your region. Read and agree on the end user license agreement, as well as basic service statement. Optionally, you can insert a SIM card and set it up now, or you can do that at any given point in the future as well. So that's up to you. I'll skip this step for now. Here you can import your files and data from the previous device or from the backup you have laying either in the Huawei cloud or Google Cloud. Or you can just set this phone up as a new device without any of your previous data, or you can also just transfer your backup and data that you need later. That's up to you. Here you can also optionally connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network, or you can skip the step and continue with the setup in the offline mode. Now accept or enable the Google services that you plan to use. Here you can get acquainted with the Huawei data and privacy terms, and by proceeding you are obviously accepting them. Now you can manage your Huawei mobile services the same we had with Google services. So here you have the ad ID statistics, the personalized ads, auto update, and so on. So customize those services, enable services you plan to use, and disable ones that you do not plan to utilize. Here you can set up the screen lock, either fingerprint, face recognition, or regular password. Here you can either make it custom PIN, 4-digit PIN, a pattern, graphical pattern, or just the regular alpha-numerical password. Or you can skip the step and leave your screen unlocked as for now. Now you can also enable the enhanced services, or you can skip this step. Pretty much. The same goes for the user experience improvement program. Decide if you would like to share the analytic data with Huawei. You can skip the step and decide not to share. Decide if you would like to enable location services from Huawei as well. I'll skip the step. Here you can enable automatic software updates. And that'll be it. The setup is finished, so thanks for watching and bye-bye.